This is how to use VPN in iPhone. If you haven't already, go ahead and go to the App Store and search up VPN. This one is the most popular and most reliable, so I suggest using this one. Once you have it downloaded, we're going to open up the app. So this is the first thing that's going to show up. To turn on the VPN, we can just press the power button like that. Now there are quite a bit of ads, but you can just exit out of most of them. If we go back, now we've connected to a VPN. If we want to change our location to VPN, we can press on this. And we can scroll down to a bunch of these places. Let's say I want to connect to this one right here. We're going to press this check mark. And we're connected to that place now. But typically you want to go with the fastest location option right here. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It essentially protects you by giving yourself a private connection in a public network. It disguises your identity when using a network, and it's harder for hackers to track you or get your information. That is how to use VPN in iPhone.